How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And what is the best VPN to watch Netflix with? Today I have 3 examples here as the best VPNs that you can get for Netflix. We've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. Let me go ahead and use one of them. By the way, whichever one you choose, at the end of the day, you'll be able to unblock Netflix. But very quickly, let me just demonstrate using ExpressVPN. So I'm going to go ahead and look up Sync 2 here. And Sync 2 is a new children's movie that's only available in the States, which explains why I can't find it, because I'm not in the States. It's also available in South Korea, but I'm looking for an English library here for the most part. So let's go ahead and just go to locations. Let's say all locations, Americas. I typically like to go with the New York or Washington servers simply because, well, they're the closest ones to me. So I'll just go with the Washington server in this case and connect. And as you can tell, it nearly instantaneously connects thanks to the lightweight UDP protocol. It is perfectly optimized for ExpressVPN. So it's the fastest protocol. So let's go ahead and refresh. And as you can tell, Sync 2 is now available to me as if I'm in the United States. Now, Netflix won't be able to detect any of these VPNs because they hide the fact that they're VPNs. Because if Netflix found out that I'm now accessing it through a VPN, it will tell me to turn it off before I can return to Netflix. And of course, due to licensing issues, most people are not going to be able to access the entire library of Netflix because they're region restricted. But if you want full access, you simply need a good VPN, and all these VPNs do vary in budgets and features. So pick one depending on what you're looking for and what seems to be the best deal for you. If you're looking to learn more about these VPNs to figure that out, you'll find a full review in the description down below of all 3 VPNs. You'll be able to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, you'll find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to go straight to that. But if you're looking for just any VPN, any one of these really will work for Netflix. So you don't really have to get too confused about that. You know, you've got Express. It's just a premium option. It's going to be the most expensive one. NordVPN is more of a well-rounded option. It's a value option, and Surfshark is a budget option, but they all do work with Netflix almost equally. Okay, so besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel. Keep in mind that I also do have a 30-day money-back guarantee no matter which VPN or plan you go for, so you can stress test these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.